Hi everybody, welcome to the Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do a pepper sauce. There are 5 main sauce. There's one of a main sauce. It's called pepper sauce. It goes with a steak or chips, or maybe you can go with the chicken breast. It's up to you guys, and I'm gonna show you how to make it very easy and a quick way. So first of all, I'm gonna introduce my ingredients. Touch of wine. I got the bottle of wine anyway. 250 gram of thickened cream, and I have 25 gram of gravy. The gravy powder, you can buy it from any supermarket. 1 tablespoon of cracked pepper, and I got the hot water. I just want to tell you that this is a beef gravy, so I'm going to show you how to dissolve in the hot water. So then I'm going to make the pepper sauce. This next step is I'm going to dissolve this. As I said, it's a beef gravy, so it's a hot water. Make sure you use the hot water. This is 250 milliliter of hot water, so I'm going to dissolve it properly. So you make sure you read the direction behind the beef gravy, and you're going to find it out what are the milliliter of water you need for the dissolve this beef gravy. If you want to make 400 milliliter of gravy, so you have to use 250 milliliter of thickened cream and 250 milliliter of gravy. So once you mix it, it's going to reduce up to 400 milliliter. So as I said, it's going to 10% of gravy. It's going to burn it out. So if you want to get out more, nearly 1 liter, or it's up to you how many liters you want to get out. So you can do the maths. So I'm going to show you how to do it. It's my pan is up there. It's heating up. Come and follow me. Let's go how it goes, and I'll show you how to do the pepper sauce. So my pan is hot now. So I'm going to do 1 tablespoon pepper. If you want more, you can put more pepper. If you want more hot, what I'm gonna do, so let it little bit heat it up. Then you're gonna put touch of wine. You can use any wine. You can use red wine or white wine. It's a really nice smell coming up. Then you're gonna put the brown gravy. So mix it properly. Let gravy thicken a little bit. Then you're gonna put the cream, 250 milliliter of cream. As you see, it's getting a little bit thicker. Once it comes to the kind of this level, so as you can see, it's dripping off from the spoon. Then you're gonna add 250 milliliter of cream. Once you put the cream, the color gonna be changed. You make sure you stir up a little bit, otherwise it's gonna overflow. This is the right consistency. As you can see, it's getting thicker and thicker. You like hot and spicy, this is one of the best sauce you can get it, and you can eat with the steaks or porterhouse, or even the pork belly and some chicken breast, grilled chicken, chips, potatoes, or seasoned veggies. It's up to you guys. This is the perfect stage to serve the sauce now. So as you can see, this is the real consistency. See the thickness up here. The color, look at that color. It's mixed with the brown and whitish, so it's gonna come to dark, really light brown. This is the perfect color for the pepper sauce. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for subscribing me, Cooking with the Brown Chef. Please do comment under my videos, so that will be the great help you're gonna do to me. So see you guys, see you with a different video.